Hello friends, welcome to another new episode of Ivy Endeavors. Today I am bringing to you the recipe of a cake called Clark Kaka. It was International Tradition Day at my son Adrit's school last week, where he had to present one country and dress up in that particular country's costume, and we had to prepare a dish of that country. This handmade flag is a Swedish flag and it was made by Adrit, and I baked kladdkaka for that event. Kladdkaka is a Swedish cake which is a mud cake or a sticky chocolatey cake. Now let me show you all the recipe of preparing kladdkaka. So friends, for the kladdkaka, we are first melting 2/3 cups or 150 grams of butter in a small saucepan. Let it melt completely. As you can see, our butter is completely melted now. Now I am taking an 8-inch baking pan and I am going to grease it evenly with melted butter. Spread the butter on all sides. As you can see, I have evenly greased the baking pan with melted butter, and now on top of it I am going to dust some cocoa powder. Now on top of it I am dusting the baking pan with some cocoa powder like this. Dust it all around so that it gets evenly spread all around. Now we are putting a baking paper at the base or the bottom of the baking pan. And friends, these are our other ingredients for the kladdkaka. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar. I have powdered it. Then this is 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Make sure you use some good quality unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm using the Cadbury brand. Then we need 2 large eggs and 1 cup of all-purpose flour and a little pinch of salt. Now I am adding the sugar to the melted butter. And mix it thoroughly. Now in goes my 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Now in goes a pinch full of salt. Friends, it is said that if you add salt to any sweet dish, it enhances the sweetness of the dish as well as it increases the profile of that particular dish. And you can see the gooey consistency that will make our cake very sticky, gooey and tasty. And at this point I am adding few drops of vanilla essence. Not more than 3-4 drops to this mixture. If you have vanilla pod, you can add a pinch full of vanilla powder as well, but I have it in liquid form, so that's why I am using the vanilla essence. Now in goes my eggs one by one. I'm adding one egg and beating it thoroughly. And then the other one. Now lastly, we are adding our all-purpose flour. You can see the gooey texture, and we are not adding any raising agents to this cake like baking soda or baking powder. Now our batter is ready to go into the baking mold. I am evening out the top layer with the spatula. And friends, we have preheated our oven at 175 degrees centigrade. It has been preheated. Now we will keep the cake for baking for 15 to 18 minutes. Goes our cake tin. And I am setting the timer for some 18 minutes. That's it. Let's check the cake after 20 minutes time. Friends, our Klat Kaka is just out of the oven. I baked it for some 20 to 25 minutes on 175 degree temperature. Now what we are going to do is we are going to let it cool down completely. Friends, in 2 hours time our cake has completely cooled down, and you can see the texture. It has become tighter than the time I have taken it out from the oven. Now I am going to demold it. Now we are dusting our Klat Kaka with powdered sugar. Now the moment of truth. So this is how our cake is looking, and I am going to take it out in a plate now. So this is our Clad Kaka. You can either have it as is or you can serve it with some vanilla ice cream or whipped cream as well. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the recipe of Clad Kaka. Do make it at home and let me know how it turns out for you. I can guarantee that it is going to be liked by everyone at your home and they will ask you for more. Do like the video, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Ivy Endeavors. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for today.